When young people nowadays always I say life hard on a board. Life hard way. Because you can't connect to Wi-Fi. Back in a film day, Wi-Fi never there. We had was to go outside and ramp. A morning time, a rooster wake we up. Before school, we had to sweep yard, clean, and then go gully or how the pipe up a tap road, go catch water, fi full up a drum. And when mango season come, we every picnic become expert tree climber. And if you couldn't climb tree, you fling stone per mango till mango drop a ground. But if the owner catch you, dog name your supper. School lunch was not fancy or dandy, but we did thankful. Whether it was bread and butter or 2 fried dumpling wrapped up in a brown paper bag, we never complain. We give thanks. Respect was very different in a few days. If Miss Hycelin correct your pan road, by the time you reach home, you're bound to get another correction. Everybody in the district help to raise one another picnic man. Nowadays, everybody have smartphone, but hardly anybody know them neighbor. But don't get me wrong, technology can be good, but some of the whole time values need to come back. We have to learn to start respecting people again, helping with neighbor, be grateful and tap complain about what we don't have. Because whether you grow up a country or town, whether you did play marble or PlayStation, good character never go out of style. Now, if you no excuse me, me here say Miss Hycelin mango tree ready and have enough mango on it, and at me age. Me not climb it door, but I sure know who fi hearts to go get 2 mango for me. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening or night, any which part of Master God world you know day.